Concept about unicellular and multicellular organisms. In this video, you learn about unicellular and multicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms made up of only one cell. For example, Paramecium, Ameba, and Euglena. They perform all metabolic activities within a single cell. They perform their biological metabolic activities only in single cell. Multicellular organisms. The organisms made up of more than one cell. For example, insect, human body, plant body, they are multicellular. They are made up of many cells. Cells combine together to form tissue and organ system, and the complete organisms that made up of many cells known as multicellular organisms.